I'm your host, Tashia Potter. Here at Coulson Ice Blast, we make industrial cleaning machines that use real ice. The same ice cubes you put in your drink are crushed up and shot out at high speed. In this video, I will show you how ice can be used to clean metal contaminants. Metal is one of the 5 elements to clean. There are several different reasons why you would want to blast a metal surface. One is for surface preparation or paint removal. Another application is deburring. Or maybe you need to clean off residue that's built up on a metal mold. Coulson Ice Blast is a faster and cheaper way to remove rubber residue from tire molds. Ice is gentle enough that it won't wear away from the mold, but aggressive enough to clean the rubber residue off of it. Ice blasting is a great way of removing burrs during the manufacturing process. Ice will deform on impact and squeeze its way through small holes, tight slots, and channels, knocking off burrs as it goes. As a result, it can be used to clean off tiny burrs from small or complex parts. At the same time, ice blasting removes greases and cutting fluids left over from machining. Some paints are harder than others. The ice caliber focus nozzle should be used for paint removal. Ice blasting can also be used to clean off slag left over from welding, smelting, or forming processes. Ice is the only blast media to use all 3 phases for cleaning. The solid phase hits with maximum impulse, providing a much higher impact force than liquid water. This means that ice blasting uses 95% less water at much lower pressures than pressure washing. The liquid phase helps to suppress dust by entrapping it within a mist of water, but it also gives the parts a wash. The vapor phase acts to reduce leftover moisture. The energy of impact vaporizes much of the ice, leaving behind much lower amounts of water. We've now covered off earth and metal elements. Still to come, water, wood, and fire.